Welcome to the Wealth Alarm, where we guide you on the path to financial freedom. Imagine a life where financial stress is replaced with planning vacations and pursuing passion projects. Today, we'll explore key habits that could be holding you back from financial success and how to overcome them. These insights are inspired by Jack Ma, co-founder of Alibaba and one of the world's most successful entrepreneurs. Habit 1. Procrastination. Procrastination is a silent killer of dreams and ambitions. It leads to missed opportunities and stagnation. To combat this, set small, achievable goals. Use tools like to-do lists and calendars to stay on track. Remember, progress is better than perfection. Break tasks into smaller steps, create timelines, and hold yourself accountable. Taking action today is better than postponing for tomorrow. Habit 2. Fear of failure. Fear of failure can prevent you from taking necessary risks. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Reframe your mindset and view setbacks as experiments, not definitive ends. Successful individuals, including Jack Ma, have faced setbacks and used them as stepping stones to greater achievements. Overcome this fear by educating yourself about potential rewards and consequences, developing a risk management strategy, and seeing failure as a stepping stone. Habit 3. Lack of financial education. Without understanding how money works, it's easy to live paycheck to paycheck. Financial literacy is crucial for making smart decisions. Continuously educate yourself on financial planning, investing, and smart spending. Use resources like books, courses, and financial advisors to improve your knowledge. Commit to learning about investment strategies, tax planning, and budgeting techniques to navigate the complexities of wealth building. Habit 4. Negative mindset. A negative mindset can limit your financial progress. It causes you to doubt your abilities and shy away from opportunities. Cultivate a positive mindset by being mindful of your thoughts, challenging negative ones, and focusing on gratitude. Surround yourself with positive influences and mentors who inspire you. Replace negative self-talk with affirmations like, "I am capable of achieving wealth, and money is a tool that can help me create a better future." Habit 5. Not setting clear goals. Without specific goals, it's easy to waste time and resources. Set clear, actionable, and measurable goals. Break them into smaller steps and adjust as needed. Hold yourself accountable and stay flexible. Define your financial goals, whether they involve saving for retirement, buying a house, or starting a business. Regularly review and adjust your goals as your financial situation evolves. Habit 6. Overspending. Overspending can prevent wealth accumulation. It's easy to fall into the trap of living beyond your means. Create a budget to track income and expenses. Prioritize needs over wants and automate savings to ensure a portion of your income is saved consistently. Track your spending to identify areas where you can cut back, such as dining out less or canceling unnecessary subscriptions. Habit 7. Poor networking. Networking is a critical component of financial success. Building a strong network can open doors to opportunities, provide valuable advice, and offer support during challenging times. Conversely, poor networking can limit your access to these benefits. Be proactive in building a network. Attend industry events, join professional groups, and connect with people on social media platforms like LinkedIn. Focus on quality over quantity when building relationships. Habit 8. Ignoring education. Continuous learning is essential for financial growth and success. Ignoring education can leave you ill-equipped to navigate wealth building. The financial world is constantly evolving, and staying informed is crucial. Make a commitment to continually expand your knowledge. This can include taking courses, reading books, attending seminars, or following financial news and trends. Habit 9. Lack of discipline. Discipline is a cornerstone of financial success. Without it, even the best financial plans can fall apart. A lack of discipline can lead to impulsive spending and poor investment decisions. Cultivate discipline by creating and adhering to a budget. Establish routines for reviewing your finances, paying bills, and managing investments. Accountability can further strengthen your discipline. Share your financial goals with a trusted friend or mentor. Habit 10. Not seeking help. Not seeking help can hinder progress due to pride or fear. However, seeking help is a critical step toward overcoming challenges. Reach out to professionals like financial advisors or accountants who can provide expert guidance. Build a support network and surround yourself with people who have experience and knowledge in areas where you want to improve. Embrace feedback as an opportunity to learn and grow. Conclusion: avoiding these 10 habits can significantly enhance your journey toward financial success in 2024. By overcoming procrastination, curbing overspending, planning effectively, adopting a positive mindset, building a strong network, prioritizing education, embracing risks, cultivating discipline, and seeking help, you can set yourself on a path to wealth and prosperity. Achieving financial success requires consistent effort and commitment. The road to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay motivated, keep learning, and continually refine your strategies. Jack Ma's insights remind us that wealth is attainable for anyone willing to put in the work. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on achieving financial success. Let's make 2024 your best year yet.